I know. I don't think Cedric Kazish will come back this weekend. I don't think Sukukuna will come back. Yo, Ranti, here, Hauteng, 3 points gone. Plus 1-0 down, MTL 8, they won't come back. It's over. Papa!
Hey Pirates, angeke bethi isikhukhune igames landelelana kunjani xa kunje yabona ariyanfonela friends of Sikhukhune iKaizer Sikhukhune United kwakhona ingoma yayisithi kudala chisa I wonder bathini manje ngoba ngiyachisa I wonder bathini ndifuna uva basayithethana lanto bebeyithetha. Hello sisi. Cela ubuza zi-office ze-Sikhukhune United ezo. Ayizizo. I-wrong number zezantoni ezi. Zeze-Chiefs. Shaba bana shaba. Benhle ndifuna nina. Nisayithethana. Sorry. No, sisi diphazamile i-wrong number. Yes, ngithumela Drom. Yes, sewundazi nange-voice. I-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president abalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Orlando Pirates is doing extra large, extra mural, extravaganza, extra hot. Sorry. No, sisiniphazamile nyani. But ke now that sendifumene wena, ndicela ubuza boke kwakhona intetho ezithi iPirates ngeke ikwazi ukubetha isikhukhune igames landelelana. Ngoku sikwi-game yesibini ngoku and sisezayiphinda na Saturday. So sicela ubuza uba nisayithethana. Lanto enaniyithetha nisithi ngeke siyibethe. Hello. Usekhona? Utropile. Yini madoda ndisambuza okokuqala xa benzezambuza futhi ndithi nisayithethana.
Alright, Orlando Pirates sivele yavulela induku lapha esigodini kubulawa isikhukhune. Gabi. And ayikho ke into emangazanga lento eyenzike la, into ebesivele siyilindele le, you know? And I must say, much improved performance by Orlando Pirates. Kuwo wonke amagame esengwabukile this season we-Pirates solokuqalile. For me, this one was their best performance. You know, not the best, but their best so far. Kule game le, Orlando Pirates, they were really trying to impose themselves on this Sikhukhune. Ukubakhombisa ukuthi bafethu sibadala so malum. You know, and the right-hand side was the side they were using the most to try and impose themselves. Every positive action, 90% of the action came from the right-hand side. When Oswin Police would drift inside, he would operate in the 10 spaces, try to move to the right-hand side so that he can link with the likes of Osbelebele when they make those overlapping runs, and try to pierce through the middle by finding Oradiopan. You know, Usbelebele made some good recovery runs, especially when they Pambili and he had to track back and make those recovery runs, you know, which was very crucial because Sikhukhune got opportunities through the break. I mean, Mujela got 2 opportunities, clear cuts, should have scored, should have punished, and there were 2 more chances. I think Umkwena as well got an opportunity to score because of the break and the crosses that they made because of the spaces that have been left by the wingers or the fullbacks, the Pirates on the sides. So shout out to Sikhukhune. The approach was a bit better this game because they were not sitting back, but they were trying to attack, hence they got the chances that they got. They should have scored. Wonderful performance by Umtiane, wonderful performance by Radiopane, wonderful performance by Osbelebele. I mean, he had a good game. That double pivot here, Pirates, Umokobodi, Nolo, Nomtiane. Ngathi soba nenkinga encane.
Radiopane. Nah, I like radio talk stitch, bruh. No signal loss, nothing. You don't even need to plug your headset. You just turn it on. Same time, bruh. Yes. 1 goal, 1 assist, and what a goal, bruh. That was a real striker's goal. Didn't even need to bruh, the pass was a deflection. It was going outside. It was a tight angle. That angle, many strikers in this league, I never scoring that goal, bruh. I never scoring that goal. Especially, you know, but that was a goal. The pass to a policeman, the composure, but the level of composure you have to have in that situation to get your head up and look if you have any other options rather than just shooting. Yeah, nah. Everything he took everything from Prime Butuma today. Hey, but that guy was missing everything, every shot, and he was selfish too. Why? Most of the chances he got, he could have passed, bruh. Let someone have a pop. He was shooting and missing, giving the goalkeeper bruh. That second chance he missed, that big chance, the second big chance he missed. But that was a pass to Sipochain. That was never a shot, bruh. The guy was not shooting, bruh. Yo. And he could have let that ball get past him or just slip it behind him. There was a player waiting to shoot behind him. But he decided to, bruh. Oh, he said to Simbu to mind other teams, bruh. I was used to Simbu to mind Orlando Pirates. Today we saw him at Sukukuni. But good win, I guess. Good win.
We can't compete. No, we cannot compete. Pirates made so many changes. So many. Like the luxury of showing off their squad depth. Sekhukhune still twerk. Back-to-back twerkings. No, Sekhukhune. How many chances did you guys miss? I know they were not easy, clear-cut chances, but there were still chances. When you get a chance against Pirates at the Orlando Arena, you have to make sure to take that chance. Now look, you're punished 2-0, and you have to come back on Saturday. You might even catch more hands on Saturday. Saturday, Pella, it's going to be packed. They're going to have you like this on Saturday, Pirates. The stronger Pirates comes back. Yo. No, Sekhukhune, I'm starting to give up now. I'm done. I said 3 cars. I'm giving up on you guys because no, come on, guys. They cannot beat you 3 times in a row. No ways. 3 times in a row. Oh, you Sekhukhune, wake up, Sekhukhune. You want to know? Oh, you. You must also coach your team. I can easily coach your team. I'm telling you now. Trigger press is Siema. Siema tends to play the long ball. Make him play those long balls a lot more. You guys win the second ball. Easy tactic. No, man. Come on, man. You cannot twerk 3 times. You even got a red card on top of it. On top, red card. I'm not even sure if you're allowed on the weekend to be on the sideline. Sekhukhune, come on, man. Sekhukhune. I had so much faith. I thought you'd give us a fighting spirit. You'd give us some sort of hope. Nothing. You haven't even scored a goal against not even 1 goal. No, man. Sekhukhune United. I'm done. I give up, Sekhukhune. Pirates, well done. Pirates changed everybody. Okay, not everybody, but majority changed. Still, some sort of way, they still walk away with 3 points out of this whole thing. I gave up.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates, Sanjabulela, Sanbongela. We are all happy for you guys. We're happy. Sunshine Sekhukhune 2 times in a row. Sanjabulela. Happy birthday to Austin Apollos. We're happy for you guys. We're happy for you, my brother. Nice goal. We're happy for you guys, bro. Sekhukhune angazi mina ukuthi mele kwenzaleni manje.
Sekhukhune, I just don't know. Sekhukhune bafethi iyangidida dog. Iyangidida. Nidlalile game yokuqala dog kwi-MTN 8. Yes, Nazama, tried your best. Manhlula ngo-1-0. Nisamile. Fine. Seneba understand that game. Mele ngabe seneyabazi ukuthi bazokwenzani. Mele ngabe seneyabazi. Come here. Eskodini, sekudlalwa igame league. And then 2-0, bro. 2-0, bro. Bekumele ube ngabe 4-0 or 5-0. The way their performance ngendlela ibiyona dog. Abantu benibazi endlaleni nabo first like niyabazi. You know them. You paper 2, not even paper 2. You are rewriting an exam, the same one. Buka mfethu. bebengapheleli nokuphelela Umbatha akekho, Morem akekho, Makgopa akekho, Sibisi akekho. But still bro, still niyodlala nabo nge-weekend, niyodlala nabo again niyodlala nabo. But again bafethu, just give it to them. Lesithathu win 3 wins in a row, just do it. Dog, you senyabazi and abaphelele at the moment, abaphelele dog. Yeah, you know these people. Lungile bafethu. Siyabonga. Happy birthday, Police.
Ngeke basibe sisekhukhune 3 times in a row. Ngisenalo ithemba. My comrade. Lisakhona ithemba elincane.
Sekhukhune United. Anisona phela leni isigubhu saseZayoni ukuthi nizoshawa umuntu oyedwa pa engathi ushaya isigubhu saseZayoni ningalenge niyivume leyo nto ilwane manifika lapha nilwe manidinga isupport sikhona Sekhukhune sanika ukhoshi nje ngoba sinithanda manidinga isupport sikhona ningavumi ukushaya umuntu oyedwa.
Ubona Ntwanela itsiba ball. Masipa. Ubona Ntwanela itsiba ball. Masipa. Wona uthora ball.
Did you feel with the pretty ugly fight?
And he was so confident. That's the other thing. It's scary.
Yeah, before the fight.
Plus umkhutswana ngiyana wangishiya nyana. Kire mwana mfana utongishapa. Tanyatsa muthu mo. Asumla, you know, East Rand. And I got Angolian blood. Get him when the next day like this Angola. I started having second thoughts. Angola? Get like that's why you would just
You were not afraid till he said he's from Angola.
I do Angola, I'm gonna East Rand.
Bafethu vele nizothula ngeperformance kaSipho Chain. Hayi bafethu man of the match performance ngeke. Nina ninomona nifuna ukukhuluma ngoSipho Chain mayenza amaphutha kuphela mara mayenza kahle nifuna ukukhuluma kanti njani? 6 shots on target bafethu, no goal. Bambe wonke. Hayi bafethu inkunzi le akuna goalkeeper la Mzansi entswempu ngidlula uSipho Chain.
Like the 4 new APIs. So what are your thoughts on that, Tori? Tori, your mic is